This is Koraput district of Odisha. Situated at Eastern Ghat mountain range, the district has an area of 8,807 square kilometers. According to the 2011 census, the total population of this district is more than 13 lakhs. Out of them, more than 80% of people live in rural areas. The economy of the district is mainly dependent on agriculture. The area of agricultural land in this district is 2,96,000 hectares. While 43% of the total cultivated land had access to irrigation, the remaining 57% of cultivated land depended on rainfall. Crops like paddy, ragi, match, little millet, nizer, mustard and vegetables are cultivated here in the Kharif season, while in Rabi season paddy, sugarcane and vegetables are grown only in irrigated lands. Tribal communities belonging more than 50% of the total population of the district. They are very weak in terms of socio-economic sphere. Since ancient times, tribal communities have been highly dependent on forests for their livelihood. Agriculture and animal husbandry are their additional income. But climate change impacts are increasing the natural calamity. As a result, the degradation of forests is affecting their livelihoods. Again, the irregularity of rainfall has hampered agricultural production, posing a threat to food security for them. As a result, they go to other states to work as migrant workers for their livelihood. Considering such sensitive issue, social organization Navodhyam, an initiative of SDMC Trust, with the help of local NGOs, has started a program called Women-Led Vegetable Farming involving 2,000 women in Semliguda and Otangi blocks respectively.
3 years back, we started a project in Odisha, in Koraput district, which includes 2,000 women farmers with an objective of improving their income in agriculture by intervening through various methods, doing the market linkages.
The main objective of this program is to make double the family income of women through vegetable farming and bring them into the mainstream of society. Two major voluntary organizations of Koraput district, Women's Organization for Rural Development, so-called Word, and other is Prastuti, came forward to give this project a real shape,
which is on economic empowerment of women farmers through vegetable cultivation. We think that the women will become more income generative and they would be able to double their income within this 3 years project period.
Before starting the project, a baseline and household survey was conducted by both Word and Prastuti.
आमे जेते बेले आसिलु हमर जो प्रोजेक्ट रो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अछि ताको नै जथा आम गाँ रे थिबा असहाय विधवा पुणी एकाकी रहउथिबा महिला पुणी गरीब चासी एमान को आमे प्राधान्यता दे ग्रुप को आमे शामिल करिवा पे निष्पत्ति नेलु.
After survey, an informal meeting was conducted by the volunteers with the villagers. In that meeting, a detailed discussion was held on the future shape of the project. Later, 2,000 economically weaker tribal women who own some agricultural land and earn less than 25,000 rupees were included in the project as community partners. Various types of training were given to the community partners for capacity building. These are organizing them for collective action, increasing agricultural production at low cost, proper marketing of agricultural products.
आमर कैपेसिटी बिल्ड करा होची सर आउ प्राय केते केते बेला हमको चाष उपरे केमती सब आमे करबू तापर उन्नत मानर बजारीकरण केमती करबू से उपरे सिखा होची हमको मार्केट रो बहुत असुविधा होतिला गुटे गोष्ठी जोडा करूछु आमे फेर मिसुछु ता द्वारा कि हमें बजार सुविधा भलो से पाई पारुछु.
प्रशासनिक व्यवस्था को एटा बुझीबा एवं तापरे व्यवसायिक योजना प्रस्तुत करबा व्यवसाय को आगो को केमिति नै परिबे संको एई विषय भलो भाबरे तालीम प्रदान करा जाउची.
आजिरो डेट रे एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत कम ताहार अल्टरनेट उपाय है ओनली स्किल. 2021 रु 2024 जाए आम गुड़ाए प्रोग्राम आम कंडक्ट करूँ अलमोस्ट 1800 पिला को आम ट्रेनिंग दे सारे. आमर जो वार्ड्स अच्छा प्रस्तुति एम भी आम कोऑपरेशन पाऊँ से सहयोग भी आम से ट्रेनिंग दौचु.
After that, efforts were started to increase the capacity of community partners on better agricultural practices. Efforts were made to increase their agricultural skills by taking them to different agricultural areas through the exposure visit.
আমি মিটিং যাই জাগিয়া গিয়া কোন গাঁ মনেন্তি পনিপরিবা লগাইলা জাগারে যাই দেখি দেখি করি আইলুনি কেন্তি লগাইবাটা কেন্তি রকবাটা বিক্রি করবাটা এন্তি সে অনুসারে আমি মিশাবে লগাইবা আমি মিশা সেন্তি চাষবাস করবা আমি মিশা সেন্তি বিক্রি করবা
এটা আমাকে দিদি মন দেখাইবাকে আনিଥିଲୁ ସାର୍ ଚାଷ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଆମେ ଚାଷ ଦେଖିବାର ଆସିଥିଲୁ ଏଠି ଏବେ ଦିଦି ମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିବା କଥା ହେଲା ସାର ମାରିକି ରଖୁଥିଲୁ ଭଲ ହେଲାନି ଏବେ ଆରି ଆଣ୍ଡିଆ ଖତ ଦେଲୁନି ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ଆରି ଆମର ଆଗର ଖତ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ସେ ଲଗାଇଲୁନି.
Later, farmers producer organization were formed with the community partners. The aim was to ensure proper marketing of future agricultural product and to provide fair prices to the farmers.
महिला चाषी उत्पादक कंपनी जो गठन कराई माने कलेक्टिव मार्केटिंग कराई आम चेष्टा चलैचु जमती कि आमर जो उत्पादक बाहर मध्य मार्केटिंग करिवु.
The terrain of these areas is uneven. That's why the rain water was flowing down immediately. People were made aware that this problem can be solved by doing land development program. As people became aware, efforts were made to level the uneven lands through the land development program under the government flagship program MGNREGS. As a result, the water retention capacity of the unused lands was increased and they were converted into agricultural lands.
मोर गोड खराब थिला डंगर जमी चाष कर नथिली वार्ड दीदी माने सिकाइलाकू मु गाँव रे मीटिंग रे बसी करी ए जमी मारामाती कराइली सरकार तरफरु लाखे 50 आइला तापर जमी मारामाती कराई करी जमी सुंदर होइला सार खामाई करे पे खाई पीबे सार.
For better management of water, many dug wells and ponds have been dug in these areas under the government's flagship program MGNREGS. Solar water pumps were provided to the community partners by word and Prastuti to properly invest the water in agriculture from these water sources. As a result, irrigation became easier. Similarly, by providing the treadle pump that runs without power, the farmers can irrigate their agricultural fields without any cost. The spring water from different places was brought with the help of canals and pipelines and invested in agriculture. As a result, drought-induced crop losses could be ameliorated.
पानी सुविधा किछि नथिला जमी बाड़ी फोड़ी रहउतिला आगु वर्षा पानी रे जेते फसल होतिला सेतकी आगा कोरा होतिला एबे आउ आमे कोरा दिन रे चाष बास करू नथिले एबे कुओ हेलारु एटी डीजल मोटर आनी की पकेइलु डीजल मोटर रे पानी शॉर्टेज होइला से डीजल बहुत रेट हेला सार माने देखि कि आम गाँ रे आसी की मीटिंग करी कि सोलार मोटर गोटे कुओ रे आनी की बसैलु बसैला परे 20-30 जण चाषी को जमी रे पाइप लगई की पानी मडाइबा पई नालो सुविधा करी की चाष करी की कंदमूल पनीपरिबा चाष लंका बैगण फूलकोबी ए सब कोरा दिन रे लगई की जण जण को 50-60 हजार लाखा बिक्री करबे.
Small ponds have been built to store the rainwater coming from higher places. From there, the farmland can be irrigated with the help of solar water pumps.
आमके पानी न केटती रहला के बंद कुनले बोल होई सिकाई की बोली बंद कुनला के एबे पनी परबा तास बास कोलुनी 3 तोर कोड़े एकरया जमी के हलानी.
Recovered indigenous seeds used by our ancestors. As these seeds are eco-friendly, agricultural production made sustainable.
हमरानी दादी काले उनी एटा करते रहिलाई एटा करबार साडी करी गेनी करी करते रहिलु गेनला बियन बोल नइला के सरी आरी बियन से दारलु हमर बियन अलगा लग नलाइनी हम अलगा लग बियन आमे आनलुनी
देसी बियन बोली आमे करलुनी आमे निजे फसाइलुनी निजे रखलुनी आगे बाजार आनते रहिलु बुंदो मरी जाइतरला बेसी पकइते रहिला सेठार फाया आमे देसिया बियन करलुनी खर्च आमके कम पड़लानी आमके बियन गेन बाटा हमर पाके आमी निजे खोलनी के हमर पैसा रही गलानी.
Volunteers taught community partners the method of bioseed treatment. Farmers are making the seed treatment by using Bijamrit, a biopest controller to protect seed from pests made from local resources with a nominal expenditure. Seed banks have been established for the widespread of indigenous seeds. There, the beneficiaries are being educated about our traditional seeds where farmers are exchanging seeds with other farmers to increase the dissemination of seeds.
देसी बिहन आनबा पई आसीतिले आउ एबे देसी बिहन धरिकिना जीवी गाँ रे आम देसी बिहन नेकिना जमी रे लगाइबु सार आम देह पई खाइले भल सार सेटा
Greenhouses have been provided to the beneficiaries on behalf of Word and Prastuti. Farmers have been advised to prepare seedlings in greenhouses.
बाहर तली पकाइले गाय जाक खाऊछंती आ वर्षा पड़ले खराब होची करा बेसी कराले भी खराब होची सेति पई नर्सरी भितर पकाइले भल होची
Emphasis is placed on biological fertilizers and pesticides instead of chemical fertilizers and pesticides for pest control management. Farmers made organic fertilizers and pesticides and applied them to their crops by taking local resources that were easily and freely available.
एबे कोबी कलु आलू कलु बैंगन कलु टमाटो कलु भेंडी कलु सेमी कलु बिनिस कलु कुमडा कलु बाजार रे नेलु आर रोइला टांगा जा रोइ बाटा खाई देलु आर रोइ बाटा बेंके बांधी देलु
Similarly, vermin tanks were set up after educating the farmers about vermicompost. Community partners produced vermicompost in vermin tanks and applied it to their own farmland to increase soil fertility. In addition, different types of plants that attract insects are also planted inside the crop, and the crop can be protected from the clutches of insects. By using yellow sticky traps between the crops can be saved from the insect clutches. After all kinds of measures to cultivate, farmers were encouraged to produce vegetables. Community partners can increase vegetable production by cultivating different types of vegetables. By adopting mixed farming method, the community partners can get more than one crop from one farmland simultaneously and biodiversity can be preserved. They could also increase their additional income by selling the vegetables after they.
आदा वहाँ चमी बेटे मिर्ची खी नमी बेटे लदनाया उस गत्ता ही नमी माबू पंगता को डीलो मिलते देशे गत्ता ही तीसरे बेसी वजीन लखा इदा की ही ना कि बेसी लाभा ही नम माबू
वाड दीदी कोइलारो आंडी खत माछ टनी पकाउछु पकम मरिबा पाई गेंडु गछ लगाउछु अलडिया खाड लगाउछु गोटे अल जगह रे हम बैंगन चाष करलुआछु 8 को बस्ता 2 बस्ता गर सप्ताह रे 1500 हो
Ginger was cultivated earlier in this area, but the production was not satisfactory. Through Word and Prastuti, farmers were sensitized to increase the ingredients of ginger. Suprava variety of ginger seeds were supplied to the farmers by Word and Prastuti. Community partners were advised to make treatment of ginger seeds with organic manure.
आदा लगेबा आगरू विशोधन करबू गाय गोबर के रातिया धोड़ा कपड़ा टाने बांधी करी बतराई करी रखबू बतराई करी सकाळे ताकू से पानी को पिचड़ी करी से गोबर के अलगा करी से पानी टाने गाय मुत आरी खाइबा छुन दे करी पानी रे घोड़ाइबू घोड़ाई करी अदा के बुड़ाई करी टिके रखी टिके बाहर करी टिके छाई रे सुकाई करी रखू रखी करी पर नहीं लगाइबू
After refining the ginger seeds, the farmers planted the refined seeds in their fields. After planting the ginger seeds in the field, the farmers were advised to mulch them with straw. As a result, water scarcity could be saved.
ओदा बेड करूछु सर बेड करी डोबी मारुछु डोबी मारी किना खत पकाउछु खत पकाई किना ओदा लगाउछु आउरी माटी तार ऊपर घुड़ाई देउछु सर आरी वर्ष परे ओदा होछि आगरु भई किना नेउथिलु हाटरे भई किना नेउथिलु सर एबे भई किना नेबा पडु नाही जे ओदा हेले सरी आमे हमर धरतनी कंपनी रे आमे नै किना देउछु
Community partners are advised to plant other crops simultaneously with ginger in mixed farming system in a single farmland. Farmers can benefit by farming in this system.
धान मांडिया चाष करतिलु किछि लाभ न पाउतिलु आदा चाष करी सब आदा उपरे आका से बेनिस लगाई किना कंदुलो कुमुंडा सब लगाई किना हमें टांगा 2 टांगा लाभ हेलानी गोटे एकर लगे अदा लगाइलु सेटा सबू से खर्च बार्च हेकिना 50,000 लाभ होला।
After the ginger is harvested, it is stored carefully inside the soil after made treatment by Bijamrita. By digging a hole in the soil and storing the ginger with straw and soil inside it, the quality of ginger is maintained. Another way is to put ginger on the soil and cover it with straw and soil and cover the top with cow dung. Keeping it like this, the farmer gets two types of benefits. The first one is the suitable seed for the coming season. The second is to sell at a higher price a few days after harvesting. The government has introduced new methods to further increase ginger production. In this method, ginger is cut into small pieces. Before cutting, seed treatment is done. After cutting, the small pieces of ginger are filled in plastic trays. Then the tray is filled with sawdust and soil and placed in the shape. After the trays are sprinkled with water, they are covered with polythene. Researchers believe that farmers can benefit more from this system in the future.
एप्रिल मे मासरे आमे जदि अदा हळदी लगेबा ताहले सेटा 30 रु 35 दिन परे गजा बाहरुची किंतु आमे जो एक आखि विशिष्ट चारा प्रस्तुत कराउची एतिरे बिहन खर्च 1/3 होउची प्रोडक्शन मध्य ड्यूरेशन मध्य अपन को 45 दिन पाखापाखि कमी जाउची।
Tuber is the favorite food of the tribal. According to their own choice, local farmers were cultivating sweet potato. It was recommended by the volunteers to do the straight row and plant tubers. Again, by intercropping, farmers could increase their own additional income. Biodiversity can also be saved by this.
खत पकाइ करी खन्दा लगा देलु खन्दा तोरला 3 मासरु खन्दा बिकलु सबु बिकी करी आमे सबु बिकी लोके टंगा पासंती।
Sweet potato is a versatile crop and it is a climate resilient crop. Sweet potato we have released 11 varieties to suitable to various agroclimatic conditions of Odisha.
एटाला गोटे क्लाइमेट रेजिलिएंट क्रॉप या पे केवीके2 भी साहाय्य निहायतला एटा डायबिटिक्स पे भी भलो थाए क्रॉपटा सेकंड न्यूट्रिशनली बहुत भलो थाए फाइबर कंटेंट एतरे भलो थाए।
Purple plus is a sweet potato whose inner color is purple. Scientists believe that it is anti-cancer. In this project, the community partners were provided with slips to cultivate the Purple plus variety of sweet potato which are profitable.
कंदमूल साधारणतः 1 हेक्टर जमी रे हेक्टर प्रति आमको 83,300 टंका हाराहारी 40,000 टंका आमको डंक बाबद हम खर्च करिया पड़ता है आउ 40,000 टंका आमको अन्यान्य लगेवा पाई हमर आउ खोलिया पाई हमको लागि थाए 20 टन जदी हम अमल होउची 20 टन जदी 20 टंका नखरा बिका हुए हाराहारी हमको 4 लाख टंका अमल माने ये थाए लाख टंका जदी हमें ताको बाद देबा ताले हाराहारी हमको 3 लाख टंका पर्यंत हमको शुद्ध लाभ मिलता है।
Through the producer company, the produced sweet potato was sent to different places for sale. Also, as a step to earn more, farmers are making chips from the sweet potato and selling them in the oil market.
कंदमूल केजी पिछा मैक्सिमम से 14 टंका रु 15 टंका भितर बिक्री कले तो तांकर इनकम टाको बढ़ाइबा पई कि आमे एठी गोटे प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट बसैलु आम गोटे मशीन रखिचु जोटा कि स्लाइस करिकरी काटिबो तापरे आमे आ गोटे मशीन रखिचु जोटा कि छाणीला परे ऑयल टाको एक्सट्रैक्ट करिया पई ता सहित आमे आ गोटे रखिचु जोटा को मसला फेंटिबा पई कि ता सहित आमर 2 प्रकार रो मशीन रखिचु पैकिंग करबा पई कि गोटे छोटो मशीन आ गोटे मशीन रखिचु सेमी ऑटोमेटिक मशीन घंटा को कम से कम 500-600 पैकेट करि दबो।
On behalf of voluntary organizations, various demonstration fields have been prepared to increase the knowledge of farmers. Progressive farmers are implementing it. From this demonstration area, a family can sustain their food security for a year. Other farmers can visit this demonstration area and gain adequate knowledge about farming.
आगो ए मंडिया दान ए कंदा का करतिल सर प्रस्तुत आसी करी एटा करबा पाई कहले एमती लोगा ए दाड़ी दाड़ी बोली कहले सर जिया कत देले सबुदा घर देले गली पकाइबा। बाहर मिसे आसते एबे बढ़िया करुचु बोल कहले गते वर्ष लक्षे टंका मिलतिला सर
प्रस्तुति सार माने आसिकी बियन जाक देले आउ चाष कर पनिपरिबा करबाकू सिखाइले आउ जिया बैग भी देइचंती ट्रेडल पंप देइचंती सोलार पंप देइचंती ग्रीन हाउस देइचंती हांडी कत दिया हेची आउ एटी साइड पट रे गच जाक लगाई देइचंती।
बहुत खुशीर विषय जे आम जिले रे प्रस्तुति एवं वार्ड संस्था विशेषकर पोटांगी एवं सिमलीगुड़ा यही ब्लॉक रे जो स्वीट पोटाटो तो जो महिला चाषी मैंने कर जड़े जड़े महिला चाषी मोर देन 1 लाख एनम से माने इनकम करि पारछंती ता सहित जिंजर एवं वेजिटेबल डिफरेंट वेजिटेबल्स चाष करी निजर आय से माने बढ़ाई पारछंती।
Farmers' cards are provided to the beneficiaries in the agricultural sector to record all the expenditure and income details. Farmers are recording all their details in that list. Volunteers are monitoring it periodically and suggesting corrections if there are any errors. Since these tribal women were illiterate in many cases, volunteers taught them to sign through literacy programs. As a result, women were able to escape from the victim of fraud.
आजिकली गाँ गहली रे माँ माने पाठशाठ जेहेतु पढ़ी ना से माने आउ नाम लेखा शिखि पार ना एबे जोठी बैंक रे गले कि जोठी भी सबुठी रे टिप चिन्ह चलुनी एबे केवल ना लेखा होचे सेथि में बोली कि आमे गाँ गाँ बुली कि घर घर बुली कि माँ मन को नाम लिखेबा सिखौजु।
ना लेखा शिखि नतिलु टिप चिन्ह करूतिली प्रसूति दीदी आसिला दिनटु मु सिग्नेचर करबा पई सिखुची।
The members of farmers producer groups are trying to sell their own products in the local market. But due to lack of business experience, they have to endure many difficulties. In order to give fair price to the tribal for their agricultural products, the government has constructed a supermarket at Kundali which is known as ENA. Community partners can sell their products at that market for reasonable prices.
300 रु अधिक चाषी इनाम थ्रो रजिस्ट्रेशन कराई चाषी माने उपयुक्त मूल्य पाइबा सहित केमिति सुचारू रूपे बिक्री बटा करि परिबे ता ऊपर आमे ध्यान दउ। वार्ड एवं प्रस्तुति द्वारा जो माने परिचालित होउचंती से माने विभिन्न प्रकार सुविधा पाई परचंती।
जो डॉक्टरेटी आ दार्तनी महिला फार्मर ग्रुप अछि उत्पादन सिना कले किंतु बिकिबार कोनोसी व्यवस्था से माने जानि पार नथिले आमर जातीय कृषि बाजार व्यवसायी माध्यम से तांकर उत्पादित पनीपरिबा बिक्री के अधिक लाभवान होउचंती तांकर आर्थिक उन्नति मध्ये घटिछि।
Word and Prastuti have constructed solar power cold chambers at different places to keep the produced vegetables fresh. Farmers can use it to keep vegetables fresh.
चिता देवी यारी वारसंता मिची करी शीतल भंडार जेतंती देला उतारे से आमे पनीपरिबा रखी करी आमे बिका बिक्री कलुनी नसलाटा फसलाटा एती रखी करी आमे बिकी खाइलुनी अब तो बेसी नसी गाले पिंगी देतेरलो।
Due to the efforts of Word and Prastuti, today the farmers of this region have increased their confidence and family income has also increased.
बेसी बेसी होले पीजी ग्रुप रे दिया हलानी सर अरे 10 किलो 20 किलो 25 किलो आमी यानी हाथ बिकबा पानी जोर पा दामन जोड़ी नलको एरिया कुंदली गाले 30 टंका किलो दामन जोड़ी रे बिकले 40 टंका 60 टंका पर्यंत बिक्री कलुनी।
ए प्रकल्पटी आमे हजार चाषी सहित पटांगी अंचल रे काम करछु से चाषी मानकर किभली परिबा चाष करी तांकर आर्थिक उन्नति द्विगुणित हबो सेतबे आमे काम करथलु। ए प्रकल्प को सहायता करथिले ऑक्सफार्म इंडिया एवं सीतादेवी मालहोत्रा चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट। तो आमे देखिछु जे किभली महिला चाषी मानकर आर्थिक उन्नति द्विगुणित होइछि ना सेमानकर पिला मान उच्च शिक्षा पाइछंती एवं सेमाने भलो स्वास्थ्यगत उन्नति तांकर होइछि।
We are humbled and we are excited at the same time that we as a funding partner was part of this journey to see the project start when the average household income was nearly 30,000 rupees per household to reach to the milestone when the average household income has reached to 3 times.
Apart from this, they are getting healthy food and strengthen their food security for a better future.